हरिः ओम्।
नमस्कारः।
हरि
नमस्कारः।
ओम्।
शुभोदयम्।
नमस्कारः।
शुभोदयम्।
हरि ओम्।
हरिः
हरि
ओम्।
ओम्।
मम नाम किम्? संगीता महोदये, मम नाम किम्?
भवतः नाम रघुः।
उत्तमम्। मम नाम रघुः। भवत्याः नाम संगीता। सूर्ये, भवत्याः नाम किम्?
मम नाम सूर्यकुमारी।
मम नाम किम्?
भवतः नाम रघुः।
रघुः। रघुः। सूर्ये, जलं ददातु। सूर्य जलं ददाति। अहं जलं पिबामि। अहं पिबामि। सूर्ये, चषकं स्थापयतु। सूर्य चषकं स्थापयति। सूर्ये, पुस्तकं ददातु। एतत् किम्?
एतत् पुस्तकम्।
एतत् कस्य पुस्तकम्?
एतत् मम पुस्तकम्।
भवत्याः पुस्तकमेतत्?
एतत् मम।
अस्तु। पुस्तकं सर्वं पठितवती वा?
न।
न? अस्तु। पठतु, पाठं पठतु। किं पाठं पाठयति इदानीं? लट् लकारः, लोट् लकारः पाठं पाठयति वा? भवतु। कुत्र अस्ति? लोट् लकारः पाठः। सम्यक् पठति वा? पठतु।
एतत् सम्भाषणम् उच्चैः पठत अवगच्छत।
सूर्य पठति। सूर्य किं करोति? सूर्य पठति। अहं किं करोमि?
भवान् वदति।
वदति, हसति। सूर्ये, भवती हसतु। सूर्य अपि हसति। हसतु, पठतु, वदतु, ददातु। सूर्ये, एतत् किं? चायं पिबतु। सूर्य चायं पिबति। सूर्य चायं पिबति। अस्तु, सम्यक्। स्थापयतु। एतत् किम्? फलं खादतु। सूर्य किं करोति? सूर्य
फलं खादति।
Okay, so just learn the language. Okay, don't try to reproduce this in your house. Okay, don't call your wife and say "Dadatu pibatu." That is very too risky. Okay, just the language aspect. The other way is okay. Now,
खादतु। भवान् खादतु।
अस्तु। अहं खादामि।
भवान् पिबतु।
अहं जलं पिबामि।
भवान् दूरवाणीं स्वीकरोतु।
दूरवाणीम् अहं स्वीकरोमि।
भवान् उपविशतु।
अहम् उपविशामि।
भवान् उत्तिष्ठतु।
अहम् उत्तिष्ठामि। गच्छतु।
भवान् गच्छतु।
अहं गच्छामि।
भवान् आगच्छतु।
अहम् आगच्छामि। You can try this. This works. Don't try the other. एवम् उपविशतु, उत्तिष्ठतु, गच्छतु, आगच्छतु, पिबतु, खादतु। एवं एतानि क्रियापदानि आज्ञां सूचयन्ति, आज्ञां वा प्रार्थनां वा सूचयन्ति। पठतु इति प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं रूपम्। इदानीं भवन्तः जानन्ति किल प्रथमपुरुष, मध्यमपुरुष, उत्तमपुरुष इति। पठतु, सूर्ये भवती पठतु, सूर्या पठतु, सूर्या shall read. सूर्ये भवती पठतु, सूर्या you shall read, you should read. Tvam, if you use madhyama purusha, then it is patha. Tvam patha. Tvam patha. I shall read, I should read. I should. Aham pathani. Just like you have lat lakara vartamana kala rupani, pathati, pathatah, pathanti, pathasi, pathatah, pathatha, pathami, pathavah, pathamaha. We learned that form, right? We have been learning that for the last few weeks. That is vartamana kala rupani. Tani. Lat lakara itukta kalam suchayanti. Bhavantah jananti, even in English, verbs are two kinds. Kala, those which indicate the time, and they also called mood. Prakara bodhakaha. Right now, should do, ought to do, need to do, like that. That is, that is one category of verbs. The other category is kala suchaka. Surya pathati. Surya is reading now. Vartamana kala. Surya, we are going to learn Bhavishyat kala. Surya patishyati. Surya will read. Surya apathat. She already read. Past tense, Bhutakala. We are going to learn Bhutakala and Bhavishyat kala in the future classes. Vayam patishyamaha. Don't worry about that. Just to let you know that. So lat lakara rupani vartamana kala rupani vartamana kalam suchayanti. But what about lot? Does lot have to do anything with kala? No. Lot is prakara bodhakam. Mood. Like, you should do that, you should not do that, or you should do this. Right? So that is lot. Just like lat, you have purushaha, right? Prathama purushaha, madhyama purushaha, uttama purushaha. Madhyama purushe kartrupadani kani tvam, yuvam, yuyam. By now you're all familiar with that, right? Madhyama purusha. Uttama purusha aham, avam, vayam. Prathama purusha is very easy. All others, sarvani kartrupadani. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam, aham, avam, vayam. Etani vihaya anyani sarvanyapi padani prathama purushe bhavanti. So all the subjects, all the words, name words that you can think of, other than aham, avam, vayam and tvam, yuvam, yuyam, they are all prathama purusha. So for all of them, if you have to use a kriya padam, say in vartamana kala, you will use forms like pathati, balakaha pathati, balakau pathataha, balakaha pathanti. If you want to use lot lakara, for example, I want to say chatraha, chatraha, ekavachanam, chatraha pathatu. The student shall read, should read. Chatrau pathatu pathatam, chatrau pathatam, chatraha pathantu. The students shall read. We are going to, don't try to write it down after this thing. This is just, upasthapanam, introduction. We are going to see all that, do a lot of exercises. Chatraha pathantu. The students shall read, should read. Right? Tvam patha. You shall read, you should read. Yuvam pathatam. You both shall read. Yum pathata. If you have noticed in our book, somebody asked that good question also. Why there is pathata in all the exercise? What is the meaning of pathata? That question was asked maybe Sangeeta in one of the previous classes. Good question. Now you know what is that. Pathata is Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam for Ajna Prarthana. Yum pathata. You all shall read. So that pathata is the kriya padam, lot. What is that lat and lot? I explained previously once again. Lat is the pratyaya. To the dhatu, to get the vartamana kala rupam, you have to add a pratyaya. That pratyaya is lat pratyaya. Lat is added to that. So to memorize that, you say vartamana kala rupani means lat lakaraha. Why is it called lakaraha? Lat, lit, lut, rut, lot. These are all the pratyayas. They all start with la. So they are all called lakaras. The name lakara means that they all start with la. What are they? Pratyayas, suffixes. Why are they needed? To be added to the dhatu, verbal root, to get the desired form. If you add lat, you will get vartamana kala form. If you add lot, you get ajna form or prarthana. So bottom line, kriya padani ityukto kati rupani bhavanti pratilakaram nava rupani bhavanti. Prathama purushe ekavachane dvivachane bahuvachane trini. Madhyama purushe ekavachane dvivachane bahuvachane trini. Uttama purushe punaha ekavachane dvivachane bahuvachane trini. Samhatya kati nava rupani bhavanti pratilakaram api. Sarve avagachanti? Sarve shrunvantu. Sarve shrunvantu. Sarve pashyantu. Sarve pathantu. Sarve sukhena pathantu. Anandam anubhavantu. Bhavatu bhavantu. Prathama Purusha Prayogaha. Sarvaha. Prathama Purusha. Katham janami sarvaha Prathama Purusha iti. Tvam yuvam yuyam nasti aham avam vayam nasti. Ataha sarvaha shabdaha api Prathama Purusha eva. Sarve pathantu. Sarve gruhapatham kurvantu. Avagatam. Asti. Idanim abhyasam kurmah.
Next one, number 3. Postake vidyamanena uchita kriyapadena riktasthanani purayata.
Pashatu purayata. The word purayata. Puraya. Madhyama Purusha Rupani. Puraya. Purayatam. Purayata. Patha. Pathatam. Pathata. So purayata is also the word in the question itself. Everywhere, see, even the previous question, yatho chitena padena yojayata. First question, yathodaharanam vakyani likhata. So all these forms, likhata, yojayata, purayata, they are all lot lakara. Lot lakara, madhyama purusha, bahuvachanam. Likhata, you all shall write. Yojayata, you all shall join these two columns. In the final third question, Kosthake vidyamanena vichita kriyapadena riktasthanani purayata. You shall fill the blanks by using the appropriate verb from the table. Kosthake vidyamanena vichita kriyapadena riktasthanani purayata. Kim karaniyam? Bhavan bhavati iti kartupadam asti. Anantram karma padam asti. Parishramam, jagaruka, pravachanam. And then the blanks you have to fill with the appropriate kriya pada. So shrunotu, let us look at the words. Shrunotu, bhavatu, sampadayatu, sampadayatu meaning. Karotu, nirmatu, nirmanam means to build. You build, you create. Tyajatu means abandon, to give up. Prapnotu, to obtain. We already learned that. Prapnotu, sadhayatu, to achieve. You achieve. Srujatu means to create. Pradarshayatu, pradarshanam, you know the meaning, right? You demonstrate or you show. So let us take one example. Bhavan or bhavati. You can create two sentences. Let us take bhavan. Bhavan parishramam. Parishramaha means effort, right? Hard work. Bhavan parishramam. What is the appropriate kriya pada? Bhavan parishramam
Karotu.
karotu. Uttamam. Bhavan parishramam karotu. You shall put effort. You shall work hard. You shall work. Bhavan jagarukaha. Jagarukaha means to be awake, meaning to be careful, to be alert. Bhavan jagarukaha
Bhavatu.
bhavatu. You shall be alert. Bhavati, let us use the bhavati. So you can use bhavan, bhavati for each one of them. So bhavati, if you say jagarukaha, there it's a problem. Jagarukaha is pullinga. So bhavan jagarukaha bhavatu is okay. But you cannot say bhavati jagarukaha bhavatu. Jagarukaha is a pullinga. So you have to say jagaruka. So the question itself, they should not have put jagarukaha here. You cannot use jagarukaha both for bhavan and bhavati. For bhavan it is okay. But all other 9 places you can use bhavan, bhavati, both of them. Pravachanam shrunotu. Oh, bhavati pravachanam shrunotu. I'm giving the answer. Bhavati pravachanam. You know pravachanam, right? We keep, you can, so many pravachanas nowadays people are making, YouTube. You go YouTube and there is pravachana for everything. Bhavati pravachanam shrunotu. You shall listen pravachanam. Bhavati vijayam
Prapnotu.
prapnotu. You shall achieve success. Evam. Bhavati shaktim
Pradarshayatu.
bhavati shaktim
Pradarshayatu.
kim shaktim
Apnotu.
prapnotu vijayam prapnotu. We already used it.
Okay.
So
Sadhayatu.
sadhayatu
Or sampadayatu. Shaktim sampadayatu.
sampadayatu. Shaktim
Sampadayatu.
sampadayatu. Bhavati durgunam
Tyajatu.
tyajatu. Tyajatu. You shall give up, bad one. Bhavati lakshyam. Bhavati lakshyam
Sadhayatu. Sadhayatu.
sadhayatu. Uttama. So like this, you have to go on, finish the third exercise. One more homework. Go to the next page, avadheyam. Go to the next page, avadheyam. See here, the table is nothing but the same table which Surya showed you. She made a nice table for you. It is the same table. See, patadatu, pathatu, pathatam, pathantu, patha, pathatam, pathata, pathani, pathava, pathama. Here, the Kartrupadam is already added for you. Bhavan patatu, saha patatu. Bhavantau pathatam, tau pathatam. Bhavantaha pathantu, te pathantu. So what Surya wants is, this table, whatever is in the table, you can say it loud, record and send. And write and record, then record and send. Like sentences. You can form sentences, right? Bhavan pathatu. Tvam patha, you shall read. Yuvam pathatam, you both shall read. Yuyam pathata, you all shall read. Aham pathani, I shall read. Avam pathava, we both shall read. Vayam pathama, we all shall read. You don't have to give the English meaning, just write the Sanskrit sentences, read them loud, record and send. That way you become familiar.